Good morning to all of you. I am Karan Tuli, studied in Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Vajitpur, Patiala. I read in 12th class in Commerce stream. Today, I want to share some facts about COVID-19 and hope for mankind in future in our country. Today, we all know all the world is fighting against this COVID-19 or coronavirus. But don't be afraid of this virus. This virus only remembers us about the good habits such as washing your hands regularly, put a mask on your face, avoid social contact, and maintaining the social distancing, etc. Honorable Prime Minister of our country, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and Honorable Chief Minister of Punjab, Shri Captain Amrinder Singh ji, took essential steps to stop the chain of pandemic in our country and state respectively. Similarly, the Education Minister of Punjab, Shri Vijayendra Singla ji, tried to encourage the students into the different creative activities during this period of lockdown. Today, Indians struggle with this pandemic with a great strength, and I would also like to express my gratitude and thanks towards our doctors, nurses, healthcare workers, policemen, cleaners, etc. who work for us day and night and saves our life. So now, today I want to share a little poem that explaining the COVID-19 fight. We have come in trouble at this time. Every person is in captivity during this period. The situation is very difficult for all. But what happens by worrying about it? We have to find a solution of this problem. Time is of mutual union, war from this disease. Don't be worried of this situation. Time will be good too. The sun will come with a new hope. Doctors and nurses try their best to cope with this enemy. Police try to keep us inside our houses. They work for us day and night to save our life. This corona will not be saved too. Seeing our courage will be defeated. The earth is recharging now. The water became fresh and the air quality has improved. So, this corona has positive effects too. The new dawn will come again, will bring new happiness and new hope in ourselves. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.